Hello, I'll be showing this lamp or this lamp that you see on the screen as a case study to give you a small tip that I find very useful. And let's see what is that. So the idea behind this short video is to provide you some information about how you can navigate in your Grasshopper script. So what we see here is a long script where we can place some components and some knowledge and stuff like that. So what we can do in order to navigate or help our clients to navigate in this script is to use this add name views. For instance, I've prepared two, and when I click on this offset bottom cap, it is telling us, it is showing us the distance on the bottom cap. So you, your friend, your client, your colleague, whoever is using this script will be easily able to navigate their way here. And if you go to top cap, we can see the top cap radius here. We can see the thickness here, so on and so forth. I don't know if it's visible, but yeah, I think so. So you see, it's very much more. If you want to add a new one, like let's say fin thickness, meaning the thickness of these fins, what you can do, you can come over here, press on the eye, and then type fin thickness and press OK. This will enable the user to change the thickness of these fins. If I zoom out, when I click on the eye again, or sorry, not the eye, click on, and if you want to change the number of fins, we can come over here, we can say 35, and you see that number of fins are kind of decreased now. You can say click here and press OK. And if you go somewhere else in the script, it's a long script. If you want to come over here, fin amount, you will immediately navigate here. And that's pretty much it from this video. If you want to see more information and topics as such, you can always find my school community. You can join it for free and communicate with me directly. Thank you.